Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video I will tell you and show you how you can delete your Gmail from Facebook. Please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write your comments. Let us get started with you. So we open our Facebook, then at the bottom we click on the menu section, and then at the top we click on the gear to go to settings. Now we need to go to Meta account settings. And this is where you click on personal information. And then you select contact info. And then you can see all the contact information that's tied to this Facebook page. In my case, it's multiple emails as well as a phone number. And in order to add another page in Gmail, you'll just have to click Add New Contact. You choose here whether you want to add cell phone or email. If email, then choose that. And then just type it in. If you want to delete email, you already have several of them, let's say, and you want to delete one of them, then you click on email. Then you click delete email, and then you confirm what you've done. And next you'll be asked to do two simple things. It's to enter your Facebook password. And you'll also be sent a code, probably in an SMS, for you to enter it and confirm your identity that it's really you. After these actions, your email will be deleted. And when you already go here, you will see that you have, let's say, if like me, if you have 3 mails, it became 2. It's done very quickly. It takes literally 1 minute tops. I hope this video helped you. You saw how you can delete email on Facebook. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, put your likes, and see you next time, friends.